Introducing yourself in English seems simple. You learn, hello, my name is, on day one of English class. But if you want to sound natural, relaxed, and confident like a native speaker, you need to ditch the rigid textbook greetings. Today, we are breaking down how to introduce yourself naturally in 3 different situations: casual settings, professional environments, and group settings. Let's dive in. Part 1. Casual introductions, parties, social events, meeting friends. Native speakers rarely say, hello, my name is, in casual settings. It sounds a bit too formal and stiff. Instead, try these natural approaches. Natural opening. Hey, I'm your name. Hi there, I don't think we've met. I'm your name. Adding context, the bridge, phrase, instead of stopping after your name. Immediately connect yourself to the setting or a mutual friend. I'm your name. I work with Sarah. Hey, I'm your name. I live just down the street. Hi, I'm your name. A friend of Alex. The follow-up question. Keep the conversation flowing by asking an open-ended question. So, how do you know Sarah? Are you from around here? Part 2. Professional introductions. Work meetings, interviews, networking. In professional settings, you want to sound polished, concise, and confident without being overly formal. Professional opening. Hi, everyone. I'm your name. Good morning. Great to meet you all. I'm your name. The quick pitch, role plus value instead of just listing your job title. Briefly mention what you actually do or focus on. Textbook, I am an accountant. Native style, I'm your name, and I handle the finance side of things here. Textbook, I am a software engineer. Native style, I'm your name. I'm on the software development team. Focusing on mobile apps. The transition. Excited to be working with you all on this project. Looking forward to hearing everyone's ideas today. Part 3. Native phrases versus textbook phrases. Let's look at common stiff textbook phrases and how to upgrade them instantly. Textbook, how do you do? Native upgrade, how's it going? Or how are you doing? Textbook, nice to meet you. My name is... Native upgrade, great to meet you. I'm... Textbook, what is your profession? Native upgrade, what do you do for work? Or what do you do? Textbook, where were you born? Native upgrade, where are you originally from? Native delivery tip, the warm smile and eye contact. Native English speakers place a strong emphasis on open body language during introductions. Make brief eye contact when you say your name so you sound confident. Use a slight nod if it's a casual setting or a firm handshake / warm wave, depending on the context. Match their energy. If someone greets you enthusiastically, hey, so great to meet you, mirror that energy right back. Quick practice exercise. Let's put it together into one complete, natural introduction. Hey, I don't think we've met yet. I'm your name. I just joined the marketing team last week. How's your day going so far? Notice how smooth, relaxed, and engaging that sounds? Practice saying that out loud right now. Keep it simple. Speak clearly, and don't overthink it. If you found these native tips helpful, hit the like button, drop your own mini introduction in the comments below, and subscribe for more real-world English lessons. See you in the next video.